Hello viewer, welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. Today we have come up with another interesting topic. What is Linux? When you open your laptop or desktop and want to open any application, like a downloads folder or in media player, how does the device know what to run? Here comes the role of an operating system that helps you to use any file on your laptop or browse your Gmail account with the help of internet connectivity. There are a number of operating systems like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac, etc. In this video, we would be discussing what is Linux operating system and why it has become one of the popular OS. So let's get started with the topic. Before we learn about Linux in depth, let us look at the agenda for this video. In this video, we will learn what is Linux, Linux architecture, features of Linux, Linux applications, career with Linux. So by the end of this video, you will get an idea of what Linux is. But before we proceed, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Linux? Linux is one of the popular operating systems created by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Linux manages the hardware and the resources like the CPU, memory and the storage of your system. Linux is a kernel distributed with open source license. The functionality of Linux is similar to Unix. The kernel is like the heart of the Linux operating system. It takes care of all the fundamental stuff like enabling the hardware to communicate with the software. Linux architecture. Linux operating system architecture is based on the Unix operating system that uses a monolithic kernel architecture. The kernel is responsible for managing system calls from applications, offering system services and managing hardware resources. Linux architecture includes the following components like kernel, system library, system utilities, hardware layer, shell. Kernel. It is responsible for all the important activities of Linux OS. It offers the necessary abstraction for hiding low-level hardware details to system, application programs. System libraries. They are the special functions that are used to implement operating system's functionality and don't need code access rights of the kernel module. System utilities. Specialized and individual level tasks are done by system utilities. Hardware. It includes several peripheral devices like CPU, hard disk and RAM. Shell. It is an interface to the kernel that hides the complexity of kernel's functions from the users. Shell accepts the commands from the user and executes kernel's functions. Linux features. Now let us go through some of the features of Linux. Portable. Linux can work on various hardwares in the same way. Open source. Linux is available for free of cost. Anyone can use it, view, modify and distribute it. Linux is continuously evolving. Multiple teams work in collaboration to improve the capability of the Linux operating system. Flexibility. It is highly customizable, enabling users to customize the operating system that meets their requirements. Scalability. Linux can be executed on a number of hardware platforms from small embedded devices to large-scale server clusters. Security. It offers robust security features like encryption, security boot support and access controls. Stability. Without any issues or downtime, Linux systems run for years. File system. It supports different types of file systems like XFS, ext4, etc. Package management. A powerful package management system is associated with Linux that facilitates install, update and remove software packages. Applications of Linux. Linux is an ideal choice for a number of applications. Due to its stability, reliability and flexibility, Linux is widely used by server OS. Linux is also used as a desktop, laptop operating system, offering a free and customizable alternative to Windows and Mac OS. Linux is also used in embedded systems like routers, smart TVs and various IoT devices. Linux is also used in high-performance computing environments like supercomputers. Linux is also used in academic and scientific research, offering a stable and reliable platform for complex computations and simulations. Career opportunities with Linux. Future with Linux looks very bright. As the Linux-based systems ensure security and integrity, there is an increase in the adoption of Linux in various industries. Therefore, job opportunities for skilled professionals will increase in future. On an average, a Linux system administrator will earn around 5 lakhs per annum. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative. Give us a thumbs up, and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about upcoming videos, hit the bell icon. Follow us on our social media platforms for the latest updates and blogs. If you want to build a career in Linux and advance your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.